Okay, you open 11. Where is it? I know we opened the 11 yesterday, right? So 12. Oh, here. It's here, Kobe. Oh, what's in there? More? There's no chocolatey. I hope there's no chocolate in there. Now, it is no, it's not. There's no chocolate in them. There's no chocolate in them, little boy. Was that good? Ooh. Das sieht dann aus, als wären wir auf Diät. Cool.
Na, eigentlich wäre es schlauer gewesen, es bei Dance zu kaufen, weil da ist es nicht schmecker. Aber
Ja, aber das ist ja weiter weg. Ja.
und das sind halt alle. Das macht schon Sinn.
Good morning, guys. We woke up a little later than usual. So we woke up around 8. Usually I wake up around 7 or even earlier, but lately I am so just not feeling it because it's just like cold outside and rainy and cold. Oh, I said cold already. Just the perfect weather to stay in bed, so it's very hard to get up in the morning. But then I did some house cleaning and then I made a green juice. I always try to get my greens in every day in some kind of form. In summer it's easy, so I love just, if you've been following me for a while, you saw me making a lunch bowl for lunch. Yeah, obviously. Like a bowl of veggies every day basically in summer, because it's very refreshing, and I put like greens in it, like kale or spinach and beans and like veggies like sweet potatoes, everything that I find in the fridge basically, and chop it up with a lot of hummus. But I kind of don't think it's a winter dish. I never want to eat it. I don't want to eat greens. I don't know why. So I try to juice them up so I get them in. They're really important not just for your health but also for your skin. I mean, for me at least, I always see the biggest difference really when I get my greens in or not. So if I don't get them for, let's say, like 2 weeks or something, I see that my skin is getting worse, and I don't know, it doesn't look so fresh, but it just looks not so good. I get some more breakouts, and I just have the feeling I look more tired, and the skin, it kind of feels like it's more healthy and more glowing when I get my greens in. So I love doing that. I try to do it every day. I try to juice a lot of kale and spinach, and then like carrots and lemon. I usually add apple and ginger, but I didn't have it today. And then I add this powder. I don't know if it helps or not. I don't really know, but it's I got it on Amazon, and it's called Green Mother, and it has a lot of these green superfood kind of things, so like chlorella and spirulina, and I think maca powder is in it as well, and then some mushrooms. I don't know if you heard about the whole mushroom, like superfood mushroom. There's mushroom coffee and mushroom drinks, and then we just had our usual breakfast, which was just our porridge that we have all the time. And I've written down the recipe for that in last month's monthly favorites, so if you want to check that out, you can do that. Yeah. And now, enough talking, I'm gonna start working, and I have quite a lot to do, I guess. I have to finish the illustration I started yesterday. I also have to ship some orders, but I packed them up already yesterday night. And I have to, what else? Oh yeah, I have to film the 3rd tutorial for you guys. I hope this is gonna be a shorter one. Let's see. So yeah. Let's go. So now it is almost lunchtime, and before going out with Cooper for a walk, I wanted to continue on this drawing. Just a little bit, maybe just figuring, just a little bit, maybe just figuring out the colors. Hi. Okay, so I figured out the color palette that I want to use, and I decided, is it this one? Yeah, this was this is like the reference photo, or is it's kind of based off of the reference photo. I didn't quite like it, so I'm gonna go with this theme. It's a little bit more reddish and brownish, and it's more what I want to paint. So we just got back from our very rainy walk, and now he's walking away. Oh, and I went to the post office, and what are you doing? You see him? Bless you. He's always doing that when he has wet fur. Hi. And I brought all the orders. Now I'm gonna make myself some lunch. Goopy. What are you doing? So I have this as a leftover from yesterday's lunch. I added some red lentils and beans and chickpeas. And I just added some spices to go along with it. And then from yesterday's dinner, this is the pumpkin cream pasta. And I think I'm gonna just heat up both. So this is the creamy pumpkin pasta, and these are the red lentils with beans. And I just added some coconut milk to this to make it soften up a little bit because it was very stiff already. I still have so much left. I think I'm gonna make Dom eat something when he comes home. Es muss eigentlich, es ist sicherlich schon fertig. Vielleicht.
Yeah, guck mal.
Das war fein.
Okay.
Hey guys, I just got ready. Ooh. So we just did some more furniture building on the baby room, and now we got ready because we're gonna go to a Christmas event from a friend. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm not gonna film there, I guess, and see you next time.